To determine the number of animals in a large area, researchers need to conduct subsampling from this larger area. First, the larger area where whales need to be counted has to be defined. Then, a number of smaller sample areas are identified. Good weather conditions, without precipitation and strong wind are essential when doing the survey. Before the survey, the exact distribution of animals in an area is uncertain. The animals could be clumped together, they could be staying close to the coast, or they could be randomly distributed. The samples consist of lines transecting the area. These lines represent routes to be flown when doing the survey. In this example, there are 23 lines, each corresponding to 100 kilometers. The routes are flown with a twin otter aircraft with room for 4 observers. The aircraft is equipped with bubble windows for all observers. 2 observers are positioned on each side of the aircraft, ensuring a good view of the ocean beneath and ahead of the plane. The aircraft flies at an altitude of 215 meters. The observers record the time of day and measure the angle to the animal. For example, an angle of 60 degrees equals a distance of 124 meters. The distance to the whales is used to calculate the size of the sample area perpendicular to the line. Sometimes the observers see the same animals. Sometimes only one of the observers sees the animals. And sometimes the observers see 2 different animals at the same time. Based on this, the percentage of the animals observed by both observers is determined. The observers cannot see diving animals. Therefore, satellite transmitters have been placed on whales, revealing how often they surface. This makes it possible to calculate the number of diving animals relative to whales seen at the surface. After doing a count of the sample area, the total number of animals in the entire area is estimated. The estimates do not provide a single figure for the number of animals, but rather an interval for how many animals, with 95% certainty, are in the area. For example, the result may show that there is 95% probability that there are 2,500 to 3,000 animals in the area. The estimates are documented in a scientific report. The report, the methods, and the numbers are assessed and approved by independent international organizations before the report can be used for official purposes. Once the abundance numbers have been approved, they can be included in recommendation on sustainable catches.